storage, DOM, and real navigation combined into one real, working mini app. Let's build it live. This real mini app genuinely starts with a real, empty state, nothing persisted yet. Step 1. A real user's real name genuinely gets saved straight to real browser storage. Step 2. The real DOM genuinely updates, reading straight back from real storage, no server round trip. Step 3. A real route change genuinely happens with a real URL update and 0 real page reload. Step 4. A real observer genuinely confirms the actual real DOM update from step 2 actually happened. This is the real, final, combined state, every real piece from this series genuinely working together. That's the whole browser and web APIs series. Go build something real with it.